Hey guys, today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can play with friends in Minecraft. Alright, so let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to do is open up the Minecraft launcher and update it to the latest version available. I'm using the most recent version, but it is important that you and your friend are both in the same exact version of Minecraft. Now, on your computer, you're just going to launch the game. Once you've landed into the game, you're going to click on Single Player, and you can either create a new world, or you can just join the world that you want your friend to join. Once you're inside the game, press Escape to get to the Pause menu. Then click on Open to LAN button, and you can change whatever settings you want for your friends. So I'm going to put them in creative mode with cheats. After that, you can put in a port number here. I'm going to put in 1234, and then I'm going to click Start LAN World. Now you can see that the port number is being displayed. But you just need to make sure that you remember this number for later, as your friend will be needing it. Now you're going to find your IPv4 address. To do this, you need to go to the search section, type in CMD and press enter. Now, once the terminal pops up, type in ipconfig and hit enter. Now, there are different sections here. Simply, you just need to find the one that's underneath your internet connection. So for me, I'm connected over Wi-Fi. Now we just need to find IPv4 address. In my case, that is this number. Now I'm going to copy this for later use. Now that you have done that, go to your friend's Minecraft account. Once your friend is inside the game, you're going to tell him to go to the Multiplayer tab. And as you can see on my friend's computer, you can actually see my own LAN world show up. Otherwise, if this does not show up here, then what you can do is go down to where it says Direct Connection. Tell them to put in that IPv4 address that you found earlier. Now, after this, you're going to put a colon, and after that colon, you're going to put in the port number that you got when you opened your own game. Click Join Server. Once you are inside the game, try locating your own Minecraft character. You can either look for it by using the coordinates, or you can just search for it manually. You can see that my character is present here, and now I will be able to play with my friends. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. That's basically how you can play with friends in Minecraft, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.